Hello and welcome to my video. Many times you may need to switch between your workspaces with the numeric keypad. Of course, those of you who have numeric keys on the keyboard. For some, it is more convenient to do this with the numpad keys on the right. In Hyprland, which is a Wayland window manager for the Linux operating system, you can do this with mod key, super key and keys 1 to 10. Hyprland's basic configuration doesn't allow you to change between workspaces with the numpad keys, but for those who need to use the numeric keys, a small addition to the code of Hyprland's configuration file, hyprlands.conf, solves this problem. Open hyprland.conf with your text editor and look for the key bindings section for changing workspaces. In the default configuration, workspaces are numbered with numbers from 1 to 9 or 10 depending on how many workspaces you have. Below that, add the same key bindings, but for naming workspaces, use the codes for the numeric keypad, like this. After that, save the file. The change will happen automatically. Now you can switch between workspaces with the numpad keys too. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe.